Space exploration is a journey into the unknown. We yearn to discover what lies beyond our own planet. Our curiosity drives us to search for answers among the stars. One of the most exciting areas of space exploration is the search for exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. These planets come in a bewildering variety of sizes, compositions, and environments. Some are massive gas giants, far larger than Jupiter. Others are small, rocky worlds like our own. Many exoplanets reside in what astronomers call the habitable zone. The habitable zone is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it. The discovery of exoplanets has ignited our imaginations and fueled our desire to learn more about the universe. Which exoplanet do you think should be included in our next exoplanet video? Kourou 7b is a truly alien world. It is a rocky planet about 1.5 times the size of Earth. This exoplanet is located about 489 light-years away from us. Kourou 7b orbits very close to its star, completing an orbit in just 20 hours. This proximity to its star makes Kourou 7b incredibly hot. The surface temperature on the star-facing side of the planet is estimated to be around 4,700 degrees Fahrenheit. That is hot enough to melt rock. In fact, scientists believe that Kourou 7b's surface is covered in oceans of lava. The atmosphere of Kourou 7b is also very strange. Instead of rain made of water, it might rain rocks on Kourou 7b. The extreme heat vaporizes rock on the day side. This vaporized rock then condenses into clouds on the cooler night side. These clouds then rain down molten rock. Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic sights in our solar system. These rings, made up of ice and rock particles, have fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. But did you know that there is a planet with rings that are 200 times wider than Saturn's? This astonishing discovery has opened up new avenues of research and curiosity. This planet is called J1407b. It's a gas giant planet located about 434 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Centaurus. It's a gas giant planet located about 434 light-years away from Earth. Discovered in 2012, J1407b has intrigued scientists with its colossal ring system. The rings of J1407b are truly enormous. They span a distance of about 110 million miles, dwarfing anything we have seen in our own solar system. They span a distance of about 110 million miles. To put that in perspective, that's almost the distance between Earth and the Sun. To put that in perspective, that's almost the distance between Earth and the Sun. Imagine the sheer scale and beauty of such a phenomenon. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a planet with rings that stretched across a quarter of the sky. It would be a sight to behold, a cosmic wonder that would leave us in awe. So how did J1407b get its massive rings? The formation of such an extensive ring system is a topic of great interest and study. Astronomers believe that the rings are made up of debris from moons that were torn apart by the planet's gravity. This process, known as tidal disruption, creates a spectacular ring system. These rings are constantly changing and evolving. Over time, the debris may clump together, forming new structures and patterns. It is likely that they will eventually coalesce into new moons. The dynamic nature of J1407b's rings offers a glimpse into the ever-changing universe and the forces that shape it. Most planets orbit stars, following a predictable path around their parent star, basking in its light and warmth. But some planets are cosmic nomads, wandering the vast expanse of space without a home. These planets are called rogue planets, drifting alone in the darkness. Rogue planets are planets that have been ejected from their star systems, cast out into the void. They wander through the galaxy alone, untethered to any star, moving silently through the cosmos. One such rogue planet is PSO J318.5-22, a fascinating example of these lonely wanderers. This planet is about 80 light-years away from Earth, a considerable distance in the vast universe. It is about 6 times the mass of Jupiter, making it a massive gas giant. PSO J318.5-22 is a relatively young planet, only about 12 million years old, a mere infant in cosmic terms. Because it does not orbit a star, PSO J318.5-22 is very faint, barely visible against the backdrop of space. It was only discovered in 2013 using a powerful telescope in Hawaii, a testament to our advancing technology. PSOJ 318.5-22 is a gas giant with a composition similar to that of Jupiter. It has a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium swirling in complex patterns. Astronomers believe that PSOJ 318.5-22 was probably ejected from its star system shortly after it formed, a dramatic and violent event. This is a violent process that can hurl planets out into interstellar space, leaving them to drift alone in the vastness of the universe. Section 5, WASP-12b, a planet on the brink. WASP-12b is one of the most extreme planets ever discovered. Located about 1,400 light-years away from Earth, this exoplanet has fascinated astronomers since its discovery in 2008. This gas giant is about twice the size of Jupiter. Its immense size and mass make it a subject of great interest in the study of planetary formation and behavior. However, it orbits so close to its star that its year is only 26 hours long. This incredibly short orbital period means that WASP-12b is subjected to intense gravitational forces. This proximity to its star has some dramatic consequences for WASP-12b. The planet's atmosphere is stretched into an egg-like shape due to the star's gravity. The planet is tidally locked to its star. This means that one side of the planet always faces the star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. This means that one side of the planet always faces the star. The side facing the star experiences extreme temperatures, while the dark side remains frigid. This side is heated to an incredible 4,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Such extreme heat causes the planet's atmosphere to expand and escape into space. The other side of the planet is in perpetual darkness. This stark contrast between the two hemispheres creates violent weather patterns and strong winds. The intense heat from the star is actually causing WASP-12b to evaporate. The planet is losing its atmosphere at a staggering rate. The planet is losing its atmosphere at a rate of about 189 quadrillion tons per second. This rapid loss of atmosphere is unprecedented. This process is so extreme that WASP-12b is expected to be completely destroyed by its star in about 10 million years. The fate of WASP-12b serves as a stark reminder of the dynamic and often violent nature of our universe. Section 6. The mystery of Fomalhaut b. Sometimes, what we think is an exoplanet turns out to be something else entirely. This is what happened with Fomalhaut b. In 2008, astronomers announced the discovery of a planet orbiting the star Fomalhaut, located about 25 light-years from Earth. This planet, dubbed Fomalhaut b, was thought to be a gas giant, about 3 times the mass of Jupiter. However, further observations of Fomalhaut b revealed that it was not a planet at all. Instead, it appeared to be a vast cloud of dust and debris, possibly the result of a collision between 2 large objects. The discovery and subsequent undiscovery of Fomalhaut b highlights the challenges of studying these distant worlds. Section 7, Captain B, a glimmer of hope. In our search for life beyond Earth, we are particularly interested in exoplanets that might be habitable. One such planet is Captain B. This planet orbits a red dwarf star called Captain's Star, located about 13 light-years away from Earth. Captain B is a super-Earth. That means it is a rocky planet that is larger and more massive than Earth. Astronomers estimate that Captain B is about 5 times the mass of Earth. While Captain B is much closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun, Captain's star is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This means that Captain B could potentially have liquid water on its surface, even though it orbits much closer to its star than we do. However, more observations are needed to confirm whether Captain B is truly habitable. Section 8. Expanding our cosmic perspective. As we continue to explore the universe, we are finding more and more evidence that our solar system is not unique. Planets are incredibly common in the Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers estimate that there are billions of planets in our galaxy alone. Many of these planets are very different from the planets in our own solar system. We are discovering planets with scorching hot surfaces, massive ring systems, and even planets that wander through interstellar space. These discoveries are expanding our understanding of the universe and our place in it. They remind us that we are just a small part of a much larger and more diverse cosmos. the unending quest. The search for exoplanets is one of the most exciting and rapidly growing fields in astronomy. We are developing new and more powerful telescopes that will allow us to study these distant worlds in even greater detail. In the years to come, we can expect to discover even more strange and wonderful exoplanets. These discoveries will continue to challenge our assumptions about the universe and inspire us to learn more. The universe is full of surprises, and as we continue to explore it, we are sure to find even more evidence of its vastness and diversity. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of the universe.